Do you want to know how you can unhide a conversation on Google Chat? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. Let's go ahead and start the video. Open Google Chat, which is on your phone. Then I have already hidden some conversation. So if you want to get the conversation back, you can do that as well. So let me go ahead and click on Hide Conversation for this conversation. Now the only way you can get your conversation back is writing down your friend's email address. So if you click on it, you can see the conversation will appear. So you can just go ahead and start the conversation once again. And if you go back to your conversation, you can now see that you are chatting with this person. So I'm just going to give you another example as well. This is my friend over here. I just had the conversation with him. And if I want it back on my page, I'll just go ahead and message him or her. And if you go back, you can see the chat will be available over here and the message will be unhidden from your convo. I hope this video about how you can unhide the conversation on Google Chat was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.